Nandito kami sa sa automatic shop. Yes. At yung rason kung ba't kami nandito ay dahil minsan kami sir. May performance test kami sa IMT. And the part of performance na yun is to explain or magbigay ng informative video explaining a particular lesson sa IMP. At yung lesson na napili namin is about hammer. At dahil important ang hammer, sakto, nakikita nyo naman, apat kami. Kat, ako, yung isa, si Danica. So we will be explaining the 4 types of hammers.
So guys, as a starter, allow me first to share some of the general information or facts that you must learn about hammer before we proceed in discussing the several types of hammer. So hammer is a very simple striking tool that is commonly made of cast steel or carbon steel. It has a heavy metal weighted head that is attached to its handle. It is commonly used for hitting nails, alam naman natin yun lahat, pukpok ng pako, and to hit punches. This can also be used in breaking things apart. We can also classify hammer as to whether it is a hard hammer or soft hammer. As for the several types of hammer, there are the straight pin, cross pin, ball pin, claw hammer, and the sledges. And now let us proceed in discussing the different types of hammer.
The ball-peen hammer's design is simple yet effective for a variety of metal working tasks. Ball-peen hammers come in various sizes and weights, from light hammers that might be used by jewelers to heavier ones used in automotive and aircraft repair. The handles could be made from wood, fiberglass, or metal. While primarily designed for metal working, ball-peen hammers are versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks beyond shaping metal, such as striking punches and chisels, riveting, and even in leatherwork and jewelry making. The process of pinning involves using the ball end of the hammer to stretch the surface of the metal. This can help relieve surface stresses and harden the material, making it more durable. Over time, the design of the ball-peen hammer has evolved to include features like anti-vibration technology in the handles and heads with specialized materials to prevent sparking in hazardous environments. The ball-peen hammer has even found its way into popular culture, often depicted as a tool of choice in various crime novels and films for its heft and potential as a weapon, though in reality, it is a tool designed for precision and craftsmanship.
Ang straight pin hammer ay isang klase ng hammer na pwedeng gamitin sa woodworking, metalworking, stoneworking, at blacksmithing o pagpapanday. Madami itong general uses, pero pwede din sa special purpose gaya ng swaging, riveting, and drawing out metals. Makukumpara ang straight pin hammer at cross pin hammer. Ito ay dahil pareho silang may pointed and dull end at same general purpose. Just imagine na itong cross pin hammer ay isang straight pin hammer. One side ay ang pin na tapered and slightly pointed end, while another side is merong dull and flat surface. And para ma-differentiate ang dalawa, tignan lang ang pwesto ng tapered or pointed end. Ang straight pin hammer ay merong blade or pointed end na parallel or pantay sa handle. Ang cross pin hammer ay merong perpendicular or pataliwas blade sa handle gaya nito. Nagkakapareho ang dalawa sa general purpose, pero in some instances na ang straight pin hammer ay mas magiging effective gamitin kaysa sa cross pin hammer.
And now for the cross pin hammer. This hammer is used for making the metal fuller when being used with heat. So the main function of the crosspin hammer is to shape the metal during the forging and the riveting process. This type of hammer is made of an induction hardened striking head that is fixed or attached to a high quality wooden handle.
The claw hammer is possibly the most recognizable of all the hammer types. It is primarily used in carpentry for driving nails or pulling them from wood. Though it has traditionally been associated with woodworking, it is also used in a wide range of general applications, making it an essential tool in any toolbox. However, it is not recommended for heavy hammering on metal surfaces such as in machining work, as the steel of its head is somewhat brittle. A claw hammer is composed of a metal head and a handle, which traditionally was made of wood but also may be of steel, fiberglass, or other composite materials. While wood handles are still common, molded steel and fiberglass ones are easier to hold, especially with a rubber grip. On one side of the head, there is a pole with either a smooth or textured surface, while on the other side is formed into a pair of downward curving V-shaped claws. The greater the curve of the claws and the longer the handle, the greater leverage may be applied. A claw hammer serves two main purposes. First, nailing. Its head is used to drive nails into surfaces, and it's also handy for tasks like breaking objects or fine grinding. Second, extracting. The claw on the opposite end is primarily used to pull out nails. It is also useful for tearing apart debris, prying things apart, or creating indentations for marking purposes.
And for the last type of hammer, the sledgehammer. This is a hammer that has a flat, large, and commonly made of metal head that is attached to a long handle. This long handle that is combined with a heavy metal head allows the sledgehammer to gather enough momentum as you swing it and create a force or impact as you do a heavy workload that is comparably greater than other hammers can do. As I have said a while ago, this kind of hammer is designed for heavy workloads, and this can be procured in both single phase or double phase, and the weight can also vary from 4 to 20 pounds. Additionally, the length of its handle can vary and could range up to 36 inches. And that's it for the sharing of different information about hammer, particularly to the different types of hammers.
Hi guys, that's it. Tapos na yun, bilhin ba kayo? So, na-explain na namin yung 4 types of hammer and what is hammer, and sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Please like and share our video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Okay, so that is an additional input all about hammer. So, any comment coming from Malinaw JB? JB, Malinaw? Wala atas JB. Wait lang. Hindi, sir. Kinuha na. Next we have Candor Carl Benedict. Sir, inyo yun. Kay sir, ako Oscar din. Sorry po. Okay, next Candor Carl Benedict.
Sir,
Any comment from the video presentation?
Ano, sir? Hindi ko. Yung sir, ano? Mga iba't ibang types pala ng sledgehammer. Ng mga hammers.
The different
Wala naman sir ang comment.
types of hammer. So how many types of hammer have been discussed on the video presentation?
Sir, hindi ko nabilang.
How many?
Hindi ko nabilang, sir.
Hindi ka nakinig. Ulit-ulit, apat. Wait lang po ba? May bisita. Wait lang, may tao.